In America, people eat peanut butter with sandwiches, cookies, ice cream, noodles, and even burgers. The average American eat over 3 pounds of peanut butter every year. But here is the strange part. Peanut butter was not supposed to become this popular. In fact, it was originally invented for people who could not even chew food. So how did this strange paste become one of the America's favorite foods? The story of peanut butter begins in the late 1800s. At that time, many people had serious dental problems. Chewing something was difficult for them. So doctors were searching for a soft, high-protein food that people could easily eat. That's when a Canadian doctor named John Harvey Kellogg created something unusual. He ground roasted nuts into a thick paste. His goal was not to create a snack. It was to create a healthy food for patients, and surprisingly, people loved it. In the early 1900s, peanut butter started appearing in American homes, but it was still not very popular. That changed during World War I. Other protein sources were expensive and difficult to supply, so Americans needed a cheap source of protein. Peanuts were perfect. They were cheap, easy to grow in the United States, and very nutritious. Suddenly, peanut butter became a household staple. By the 1920s, companies began mass producing peanut butter. One brand in particular changed everything, Skippy. Skippy created a smoother and creamier peanut butter that people loved. Soon, another brand joined the competition, Jif, and the peanut butter industry exploded. Today, Americans eat over 700 million pounds of peanut butter every year. But the real reason peanut butter became so famous was something very simple: the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. During World War II, American soldiers were given peanut butter and jelly in their food rations. The combination was perfect. Peanut butter provided proteins and jelly added sweetness. Soldiers loved it so much that when they returned home, they continued eating it, and soon it became one of the most iconic sandwiches in America. Today, peanut butter is used in ways that might surprise people outside the US. Americans put peanut butter in cookies, smoothies, pancakes, milkshakes, ice cream, energy bars, and even spicy sauces. Some restaurants even serve peanut butter burgers. The numbers are actually shocking. The average American child eats more than 1500 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches before graduating high school. There is even a national holiday called National Peanut Butter Day, and one giant peanut butter factory produces enough peanut butter every year to fill thousands of swimming pools. What started as a soft food for patients slowly became one of the America's favorite ingredients. From school lunches to desserts to fast food experiments, peanut butter is everywhere. And honestly, Americans would not have it any other way.